We can expect potentially bigger move for this week as in couple of hours coming up core PPI, core retail sales, PPI, retail sales unemployment claims, followed by Powell will speak in just matter of 10 minutes of the news release. So we see in a row quite a few big news coming up for dollar, and we can see potential reflection on gold as it is currently in a pullback. So let's see now whether we can find potential entry opportunity in this instrument for the upcoming session. Now, before we look at how we can trade on the lower time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in this market. So looking at monthly here, we can see that as expected this month, after retest of this previous monthly long wick candle, it has got a strong rejection from the top. And if we look at here from the monthly, from Fibonacci perspective, from low to the high, we can see the price has just dropped to the 38.2% Fibonacci level and also approaching that 50% Fibonacci level in just matter of couple of moves here on XAUUSD, giving a high probability for gold potentially what I think that to drop further as it is currently in a pullback from the monthly. Looking at weekly to see a little bigger picture, we can see that from the weekly after a series of lower high formation from the weekly from this resistance line, the price has completely broken that structure here. What we can see here from this, there was a weekly move, and currently the price has broken this significant level of support here. And what I think the price may, after initial pullback here, as the price already has broken below, we can expect here a deeper pullback. And what I think that that pullback might give further probability to drop again. And this week's currently so far, this is the low here. What I think, if price move back up with the news with a spike, then we might see potential further selling opportunity as it has broken that support. We may see further downside here. Now dropping down to the daily chart here to see what kind of price action it is forming. Now today's price so far, we saw there was a, here is a big fair value gap. The market has dropped to that level, and currently the price from the daily is approaching that daily resistance line, which is a pullback area on gold. And in that zone, this is a very important past support here. If we look at the past areas here, what we can see that this is a support here, resistance here, and also support here. And with that support, what we could see now, gold to retest and then to revert back again in the direction of the trend. So looking at 4 hour chart here, here we can see that after multiple false breakout, there is one false breakout here, there's one here, also there's one here. Multiple times the market has dropped to break this support. Currently the price this session is a complete rejection, which might lead to break any of this important zone, which is the daily resistance line approaching. And what I think that this 4 hour is still remaining 1 hour. If the market in this time period pushing back to the daily resistance, we may see another push back down by the sellers, as what is dropping is likely to drop. Now with this double bottom here on the 15 minutes, we can see that up move. And the best way to look at the market to see if this one single move hitting that key level here, which is the previous support here, swing low here, turning resistance, and if we see a complete bounce and then rejection, that's where we can look for potential selling opportunity for short-term move here. At least we may see a potential trend continuation as the market has formed a double bottom here. This is the neckline of this double bottom. Now what I think that if the price managed to break above to this level where there is a resistance here, support here, and also turning resistance, from here, even if the market wants to reverse the trend for long term to the upside, we still can expect another wave of pullback here to this neckline, which is the previous resistance, turning support. That could be our area that we can look for selling opportunity in that area. and that could give us potentially at least 200 or more pip trading opportunity in this zone here on XAUUSD. Therefore, what is currently in a major trend, we will be looking for potential selling opportunity in this market. As soon as we will find suitable, and you will be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also join the Telegram channel link below this video for more updated trade ideas analysis as well as education that I'm posting every single day. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.